Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, South Elgin, local and long-distance movers near me. We offer the best expert long-distance moving services to help make your move so much easier. When you want to move 100 miles away or even 2,000 miles away, we can assist. The right moving services help make all the difference, and our team provides just what you need for your upcoming relocation. Using our team gives you access to each of the essential moving services, including the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. It's not always easy to justify the cost when hiring an Illinois moving company. When you evaluate the primary benefits you get, the expense can be much easier to manage. You get the advantage of conserving time on your local move, which could be well worth it. You will also get to avoid the heavy lifting, which means no threat of injury. Our team of professional movers are going to ensure your move is quite efficient. When moving day with a local company like 3 Movers, you receive a more efficient approach for moving day. We can complete even the largest moves in just a couple of hours. In addition to local and long distance moving, our South Elgin moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.